So the latest craze right now is Pepecoin, which actually is an interesting thing. Everybody right now is analyzing the price chart of Pepecoin, letting you know if it's going to go up or down from this point. But I'm actually more interested in thinking about what this implies for the market, because if you think about it, there was no meme coin kind of fanaticism in 2022, and now you're starting to see it with Pepecoin, which is starting to indicate maybe there's a little bit more liquidity in the system if people are starting to speculate on some ridiculous coin. I have to give kudos to the person who I think he bought trillions of the coin for about $270 and he sold it for millions. I think he still has a lot that is worth millions. So people do have a risk if they own this, because there's just a few of the big whales that own this and they could dump it at any time. And also, if you're hearing about someone who's made millions of dollars from some coin you've never heard of, don't buy it. It's a very risky time to buy. If you do own it and you're up millions of dollars, this actually might be a good time to consider selling it. And I'll tell you why. We all know the sad story of the Dogecoin millionaire. Everybody thought he was so cool, and he had a YouTube channel, and everybody wanted to have him on their channel because they thought that guy is really smart. He bought Dogecoin at a good price and he's worth millions of dollars on some ridiculous coin. But look what happened to him. He never did sell, and his coins are not worth hardly anything, and nobody cares about him anymore. So if you're worth a lot, don't try to think, oh, it's going to double or triple from this point. You did damn good. I think it's time to sell out of your Pepecoin. Think about it. There might be another meme coin that's coming about, because if there's one, there's probably another one. So you probably could do your research, see what people are accumulating. I personally don't buy meme coins, except I did buy Shiba Inu and I made $500 with it, but I don't recommend people looking for meme coins. Now, if you think that this is a crypto bull market, and I'm not so sure that it is yet, if you think that, you might consider buying Ethereum, because that's like buying the house for a casino, because apparently when these meme coins go crazy, it actually burns the gas fees from the Ethereum, which means that there's less supply of Ethereum over time, which, all things being equal, should mean that Ethereum should go up in value during these crazy times. So you don't even have to speculate on a particular meme coin. You can just kind of buy Ethereum directly, and so you don't have to really worry about betting on something too crazy or erratic. But these crazy bubbles with meme coins, it'll be actually kind of a funny thing if the Federal Reserve looks at this and says, we didn't raise interest rates enough. Look at these crazy people still betting on speculative things that have no value. Think about it. Pepecoin has no value. I know people said about Bitcoin, but there's a real world use for Bitcoin. There's a real world use for Ethereum. There's no real world use for Pepecoin or any meme coin, if you think about it. So almost all of them, and in fact, I almost will say almost all of them will go down 100%, including Dogecoin, but it's going to take a while. What does Danny think about buying these meme coins?
Well, there's a time and place. If you are in the right market environment, you might be able to make a lot of money if you're super early, but I don't think Pepecoin will make another 5 million% ever again. So whoever's reading the headlines and thinks they're going to get filthy rich, probably not going to happen. So just wait for the market to have the right environment to start buying things again, but I don't think we're there yet.
Oh yeah, that reminds me, I do have to warn you. Some of you are probably seeing these headlines for the first time, and you really are tempted to buy Pepecoin because you're saying, well, I'm a janitor. I don't want to be a janitor anymore. I want to be worth millions, so I'm going to buy Pepecoin because someone else was able to turn a few hundred into millions. Well, that's the lottery ticket mentality. I guarantee you there's too many other people who have the same view. They have all seen these stories. That's just not the way people make a lot of money. If you think about it, the person who bought it, paid $250, whatever it was, that person wasn't waiting for a headline. That person was using their brain, saying they're going to buy a ton of this. And I'm not sure if they were buying other meme coins at the same time, but They had a plan. They weren't waiting for the media to tell them that, hey, it's okay, go ahead, this is the way to make money. This is not the right way to do it. Oh, you talk directly.
For all we know, it was the person that made the coin that actually owns most of the coins, and that's why they got so rich. So we don't really know what happened.
Well, we don't know exactly how that's going to happen. The truth is that if you want to be a conservative crypto investor, there's Bitcoin, Ethereum. I personally am not invested at the moment. I actually still believe that it has a long way to go down before it's the right time to buy. So I think this is the time to be very safe and not really buy for now. Anyway, click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.